आज जो आप पर हंस रहे हैं, कल यही आपका गुणगान करेंगे। करके दिखाओ कोई कमाल तो यही लोग आप पर अभिमान करेंगे। नमस्कार, वेलकम टू हेडलाइंस ऑफ द डे। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस important headlines of the Hindu. And our first important headline is Drugs for Rare Diseases gets custom duty relief. It is available on page number 1 and year related paper 2 health section say. In this article, we have to know about rare diseases, national policy for rare diseases 2021 and recent move of the government in this context. So friends, recently government has given basic custom duty exemption on all drugs and special purpose food imported for personal use in the treatment of rare diseases, and the relief is made available to all items listed under National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021. And do you know friends, National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021 has provisions for promotion of research and development for diagnosis and treatment of rare diseases. बाकी फ्रेंड्स, नेशनल पॉलिसी फॉर रेयर डिजीजेस 2021 को हमारी वेबसाइट पे बहुत शानदार तरीके से कवर किया गया है एंड लिंक भी अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में। बाकी फर्दर पॉइंट्स यू कैन गो थ्रू दिस आर्टिकल। आवर नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हेडलाइन इज ISRO releases images of Earth captured by its EOS-06 satellite. It is available on page number 6 and year related to paper 3 space section से. In this article, we have to know about EOS-06 satellite and its purpose. So friends, it is a third generation satellite in the OceanSat series. It was launched by ISRO in November 2022 and it provides continued services of OceanSat 2 with enhanced payload capacity. It is envisaged to observe ocean color data, sea surface temperature and wind vector data to use in oceanography, climate and meteorological applications. Our next important headline is GPT-4, a shift from what it can do to what it augurs. It is available on page number 10 and year related to paper 3 science and technology say. In this article we have to know about GPT-4, its features, benefits, flaws and suggestions. So friends, it is created by OpenAI to scale up deep learning and it is more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks such as composing songs, writing screenplays or learning a user's writing style. Baki further points you can go through this article. Our next important headline is the piezoelectric effect in liquids. It is available on page number 12 and year related to paper 3 science and technology say. In this article we have to know about piezoelectric effect, why effect in liquid surprising, what is the strength of the effect and what new applications are possible. So friends, recently scientists have reported the evidence of piezoelectric effect in liquids. And do you know friends, in piezoelectric effect, a body develops an electric current when it is squeezed. And quartz is the most famous piezoelectric crystal. Baki further points you can go through this article. Our next important headline is the issues with quality control orders for fibers. It is available on page number 12 and year related to paper 3 economy section say. In this article we have to know about quality control orders, why fibers are covered under orders, what challenges does new mandate bring and what's the way forward. So friends, quality control orders have been issued for fibers that constitute the basic raw material for the majority of Indian textile and clothing industries, and the main aim of the quality control order is to control import of sub-quality and cheaper items and to ensure that customers get quality products. Our next important headline is trade talks with India and diplomatic tensions are unconnected, says UK. It is available on page number 15 and year related to paper 2 international section say. In this article we have to know what is the present status of diplomatic ties between India and UK and future outlook. तो दोस्तों, इंडिया यूके से रिलेटेड कंटेंट हमारी वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल है एंड लिंक भी अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में। उसके अलावा कुछ पॉइंट्स आप यहां से भी देख सकते हैं। बाकी अगर हम ओवरव्यू देखें तो इंडिया इज यूके's 12th largest trading partner. Our next and last important headline is disinvestment facing many challenges government. It is available on page number 18 and year related to paper 3 economy section say. In this article we have to know what is disinvestment, objectives, significance, issues and what lies ahead. So friends, disinvestment is when the government sells its assets or subsidiary such as a central or state public sector enterprise. There are three main approaches to disinvestment and these are minority disinvestment, majority disinvestment and complete privatization. Now what are the objectives of disinvestment? So friends, it aims to reduce fiscal burden or bridge the revenue shortfall for that year and it encourages private ownership of assets and trading in open market. बाकी फ्रेंड्स, डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट को हमारी वेबसाइट पे बेहद शानदार तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, लिंक भी अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में। उसके अलावा कुछ पॉइंट्स आप यहां से भी देख सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों, आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग। फॉर रेगुलर अपडेट्स यू कैन फॉलो अस ऑन वेरियस सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स।